Namaste everyone. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine. Today came back with the most interesting concept, that is birds are one of the most inspirational creatures on the earth. Let's see.
Birds, our feathered friends, can teach us important life lessons on how to live and aim high. Since the earliest times of man, birds have inspired our deepest imaginations. Fearless and free in the sky, birds make us wonders. Everything in our surroundings teaches us a lesson. The only thing that needed is careful observation and through introspection. We can learn a lots of lessons from birds. Dear friends, birds always give a message that not to hold anything for too long at any condition and in any situation, which means build your empire in whatever conditions you have, trust your wings, fly high, and never look back. The life of birds teaches us to be grateful in life. There is nothing beautiful than waking up to the beautiful morning sun and hearing the melodies of birds. I would like to say that the life of birds shows the magnificent and glorious nature of God. God has manifested Himself in nature, and nature is full of love and beautiful things. The life of birds gives a great strength that never give up how our circumstances may be, fight hard to get what you desire, and be disciplined in life no matters what nature offers you. Accept it as a challenge, stand firmly, then final victory shall be yours. Now, I would like to tell you the life lessons which we can learn from the life of birds. First one, sharing a common goal. As each goose flaps its wings, it creates uplift, an aerodynamic orientation that reduces air friction for the birds that follow, which means people who share a common direction and goal can get where they are going quicker and with less effort because they benefit from the momentum of the group moving around them. Empowering others to lead. When the lead bird in the front gets tired, it rotates back into the formation and allows another goose to take the leadership position, which means people have unique skills, capabilities, and gifts to offer. Therefore, give them autonomy, trust, and a chance to shine, and you will be surprised with the outcomes. When a bird gets sick or wounded, two birds drop out of formation and follow it down to help and protect it, which means to stand by each other in difficult times. It's easy to always be part of winning people's life, but when things get difficult and people are facing challenges, that's when they need our help the most. Dear friends, let me tell you qualities of few birds which can be applicable to our lives to succeed. A rooster begins his day with a sound. We also should learn to wake up early every day and be filled with joy. Hummingbirds are extremely observant. They notice the tiniest of flowers, insects, and droplets of water. We should also imbibe this quality. If we are observant of others' feelings and happenings around us, it will help us be a better friend and better person. Pigeons. Right from the ancient Olympic Games through the world wars and to the present day, messenger pigeons have proved their ability in finding their way and delivering messages on time. Regardless of circumstances, we should be able to reach our goals in a timely manner. Owl, the only bird can rotate its neck up to 270 degrees in both directions. It can do so without damaging or blocking its blood supply. The amazing quality which we can imbibe from this bird is flexibility. We should develop our flexibility physically by exercising regularly and mentally through learning how to adapt to situations. Asian quail, one of the world's sweetest bird. The bird sings in the forest and the city unabashedly. Like this songbird, we must use every opportunity to showcase our talents. Eagles, they have an accurate vision. They have the ability to focus on something as far as 5 km away. No matter the obstacles, the eagle will not move his focus from the prey until he grabs it, which means have a great vision and remain focused no matter what the obstacles, then you will surely succeed. Eagles love the storm. When the clouds gather, the eagle gets excited. The eagle uses the storm's wind to lift itself higher. Once it finds the wind of the storm, the eagle uses the raging storm to lift itself above the clouds, which means face your challenges head on, knowing that these will make you emerge stronger and better than you were. We can use the storms of life to rise to greater heights. Achievers are not afraid of challenges, rather they relish them and use them profitably.
Dear friends, the bird who dares to fall is the bird who learns to fly. We are like birds. We are meant to fly to reach the higher altitudes with an indomitable power of spirit. Have a great day. Thank you.